What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can boost your social media accounts. Is either Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, just any social media account. Boost your music playlist and your followers, just anything as long as it's a social media platform. If you want to have a lot of engagement, this platform is going to be doing that. And the best part is that they are very cheap and affordable. And again is that they don't need your personal info like either your password, your email, for them to be able to start delivering your service or order. So all you just need to do is you just need the link of whatsoever you just need to boost. So but before I get started, if you're new to my channel, please can you do to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that anytime I release a new video like this, you can be able to get notification for that. So the platform that we are going to be using, I'm going to be leaving the link on the description so that you can also check out the platform and start using it. So the platform is Viral Social Booster. So this platform deal with all social medias network, all social media network. So all you just need to do for you to be able to get started is quite simple. So you just need to come to this platform, create an account. You just need to come to this sign up page here. You don't need to come to sign up page. Once sign up page, you need to create an account. You can just see input your name. So you just need to input your name, email, password, then you input, you check this and then click on accept easily. So once you just register, you are going to be logging into your account. So let me just quickly log into my account and show you how it works. So let me just log in. Alright, so now I've logged into my account. So this is my account here now, which is you are seeing my name and you are going to be seeing the amount. So if this is your first time logging into this your account, so you are going to be seeing 000 everything. So all you just need to do now for you to be able to start use form to book accounts, you just need to fund your account. By doing that, you need to come to this payment option here. So you need to come to this add funds. So you need to come to add funds. So in this place now, they serve multiple options in funding your account. So you just need to select anything here now. You can use either Flutterwave, Paystack, or you can even use a bank transfer to fund your wallet. So anyone that you just want to use, you just need to click on it. Once you click on it, then you select the amount that you want to fund. It's either 1,000 naira and above. So once you select the amount, you click on click here to fund your account. So once you fund your account, you follow the procedure, your account is going to be funded instantly. So you're going to be funding your account instantly without wasting much of your time. So now once you have already funded your account, the next thing you need to do, you need to now place an order. So I think I already have almost 200 in this account, right? So let me just quickly come to new order. So for you to be able to place an order, because this is an order, for you to be able to place an order, you just need to come to this option. So let me just quickly select it. Need to come to this option that shows new order. So you need to come to this option here. So once you are in this option, so once you're in this option now, then we select the service that we need. Select the service. So they offer different kind of service depending on the one that you want to post. So let me say I want to post my Instagram. So now I just need to scroll down here now and select the category. So they have various type of categories, you can see. So now let me say I want to post my Instagram. So I'm just going to be searching for Instagram category. So they have Instagram followers. So now I'm just going to be using this one, which is the cheap, and they have Nigeria follower, they have all kinds of Instagram followers. So if you need US, anyone, so I'm just going to be using this cheap option here because of my funding here. So that is just the reason why I'm using it. So now we come to this section here, then you select the amount, the service. So we have, you can get 1000 followers to 1500. So you just need to tap on it. So once you tap on it now, then you are going to be seeing the category. So kindly read the category. I think they cheap this offer now, you can see cheap is cheap, so it's not a guaranteed stuff. But if you want a high quality followers, you just need to come to their normal quality, which is very high quality. So make sure that you always read the description. So read the description so that you can understand that very well. So and again, now you need to come to this place and then input the, which is the profile page that you want to boost. Okay, so now let me select the add the link that I wanted to boost. So let me paste it here. So this is the link here now, and this is the account. You can see I have 15 followers here, and this is the link I'm going to use. But bear it in mind that any account that you want to post, make sure that your profile is not on lock mode or privacy mode. Just make it public. So once your profile is public, then you are good to go. So now you can see the minimum order and the maximum order. The maximum order is 1000. So now you can just import. If you want to add your minimum, your order, make sure that it's above 10. So if I say 20, but I needed 20 followers, I see that they are going to charge me 30 naira. So but if I say I need 50, let me add 50. So they are going to be charging me 70 naira. So in case of this video, I think, let me just check this 15. Okay, let me add 100 so that it will be 115. So let me just say, okay, I want to add 100 followers. So this is 100 followers, and they are going to be charging me 150. So now we need to scroll down, check this box. Then you can see the total amount that they are going to charge you. So let me make it 100. So they are going to be seeing the amounts that they are going to be charging you, which is 150. So you just click on place order. Then you are going to be seeing this option. Is that fund wallet or you pay with your wallet balance. So I have this amount, so you can see the total cost of order and my balance. So I'm just going to be using my balance. Click on my balance. Then my order is now placed automatically. So now once your order is now placed, all you need to do is just need to wait, give you some time for the order to deliver. You can see that's successful. So my order is now placed, so I just need to go back to my order history, or I can either add, place another order. So let's go back to our order history. So we are going to be seeing this here now. So we are going to be seeing it pending. So we are going to be seeing pending. So now we just need to, you need to give it some time so that the order can complete. So let me just pause this video till the order completes. Okay guys, so if you look at this these accounts now, you can see that the followers have already started counting. Yeah, I think it was 15 when we last checked. So you can see now it's now 56. So you just need to wait. I think it's going to take some minutes for the deliver to complete. So once the delivery is complete, then which means that your order is now come. So you are going to see this option here. So once you come to this side, this other side, so this in this other side now, you are going to see complete. So instead of it to be pending here now, you are going to see complete, which means that the order is now completed. So the reason why it's pending, because the order is still delivering, so the order is in progress. So once your order is now delivered, then which means that you are good to go. So just bear it in mind that they have different categories of followers. They have no dropping followers, they have 99 refilled, which means that if anytime that your followers drop, it's going to be refilling till 99 days. So if you find this video useful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications that anytime I release a new cool video like this, you can be able to get notifications for that. So see you in my next video.